Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect your Hubstaff account to your Wise account. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.hubstaff.com and log in to your Hubstaff account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're gonna set our focus on the left panel, scroll down and click on Settings. Do know that Wise is used for payments. So we're going to click on Integrations. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to the bottom and see this for payment processors. So you can see the main option and the preferred option is Wise. So click on Connect to Wise. Now, before setup, Hubstaff would ask you to know 3 steps. First, ensure that your Wise account is set up as a business account, and then enable 2-factor authentication for your Wise account, and make sure that for the payments to be smooth, there has to be an existing balance on your Wise account or your organization's currency. So once you ensure all of that, simply click on Next. And then, after that, Hubstaff would ask you to log in on your Wise account by simply inputting your email address and your password. And after you log in with that, you can now add members to your Hubstaff account. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!